Finally, the magnifying glass is ready. The difference that can be seen when we place a magnifying glass over the newsprints are before we place the magnifying glass, the writing is not clearly visible, but after we place the magnifying glass, the writing looks bigger and clearer. The newsprint appears like that because of the refraction of light caused by the presence of water media. The contact lens is very important for daily life. It can be used as a rearview mirror on transportation, a light reflector, both flashlight and car lights, a mirror at a crossroads to avoid accidents. Thank you for watching my presentation.